The least integrated level is free trade area. In the free trade area, the member countries eliminate overall trade barriers for free flow of goods and services, but each member country can impose the different level of the trade barriers to non-members. The next more integrated level is customs union. In this system, the member countries eliminate overall trade barriers for the free flow of goods and services as same as free trade area. The difference from the free trade area is that the members use one external the trade policy to all non-members. One good example is that the Andean community that established in 1997 with the Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru has a common tariff policy imposing 5 to 20% based on goods and services to non-member countries.